Most people think starting a side hustle means spending hours online, creating content, or learning complicated tools. But with AI Scale Stack, you can launch a profitable side hustle in just minutes a day. The system is beginner friendly and doesn't require any special tech skills. Inside, you'll find a simple step by step video course that walks you through everything. And the real secret is the Inbox Ignition Pack. Four custom AI bots designed to do the heavy lifting. One bot creates your brand name, another identifies your audience, the third develops your unique voice, and the last one writes emails for you in minutes. Instead of struggling to come up with content or marketing plans, you let AI handle it. This means you can grow your own email list, the most valuable asset in online business, without wasting hours every day. Over time, that list can bring you real income while you focus on life. And with a money back guarantee, there's zero risk. Try it out, and if it's not for you, you'll get every penny back. If you want a side hustle that fits into your busy day, use my link in the description and sign up for AI Scale Stack now.